Everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem. Problem is that Snapchat camera not working in your phone. So you want to fix the problem in your phone, so you have simply follow some steps to fix the issue. Simply go back to settings and you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection of your Wi-Fi, and also make sure that VPN is not connected. So simply scroll down and just find a Snapchat. If you didn't find a Snapchat from your setting, just simply go back to search bar and simply search a snap, just like that, Snapchat, and just go to the Snapchat is like that. Just tap on Snapchat and simply scroll down, and you have to make sure that you have just go to permissions, and you have to make sure that you just allow all the permissions from here, just like that, camera access, contact, files, media, everything, and you just permission all the. And if you didn't permission the camera from here, just like that, if you choose that option, just choose that option and fix the issue, and your camera gonna work after that settings. So you have to make sure that settings to fix the issue. Simply go back and scroll down and just go to the storage, just tap on storage and just clear the cache from here, so your problem gonna fix. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.